It is just a 3-step process to fix isdone.dll error in Windows. In the first step, right click on start icon, then click on run. Now type isdone.dll and click on OK. It will open system properties, then click on advanced tab, then select settings, again select advanced tab and click on change. On this window, uncheck this option, then check this custom size option. Now type here initial size and maximum size, then click on set. Now click on OK. Now close these windows one by one. Now open Google Chrome and type here isdone.dll and hit enter. Now click on first link and click here to download the zip file. Again open new tab and type here unarc.dll and hit enter. Then click on first link. Again click here to download the zip file. Now you have to open the downloads folder and extract these files one by one. After that, select both files, right click on it and select copy. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then search for System32, open it, right click here and select paste. Click on continue. Now close this window. In the last step, go to search bar and type cmd, right click here and select run as administrator, then select S. Now type these commands carefully, regsvr32 space isdone.dll and hit enter. Then type regsv32 space unarc.dll and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. That's it guys, your problem will be solved, you are good to go.